What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Yes, this is my new YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, the Hussle family, turn motivation into millions. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and Dog Pound Exotic Pups. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Right? Got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out here scamming people, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today's video, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna drop the gems, I'm gonna drop the sauce on how you can build business credit, $100,000 line of business credit in 60 days. The easiest way is possible. You can really do it in 30, but if you want to do it on the safe, legit side and have a better comfort zone so you won't have to rush and try to get denied and start messing up your business credit, 60 days, 45 to 60 days, you can get $100,000 just from your business credit. Now, when it comes to credit, a lot of people are becoming financially free and creating financial freedom by something called credit crashing, first of all. Now, when it comes to credit crashing, a lot of people think when these companies or these rappers or whenever they hear somebody filing bankruptcy, they feel like they're going broke, right? That's the finesse. That's what they want you to believe. They want you to believe that they're broke, they don't have this money anymore, and they can't pay this loan back. But 90% of the time, what they do is they run up the credit on whatever it is a personal credit, a CPN, or business credit, or LLC, or anything like that. They run up the credit on it. They get as many loans as possible as they can on it. They pay back this loan for X amount, a couple of months. They take out all the money, so it looks like all the money has been used, and then they file bankruptcy so they won't have to pay the money back. That's the finesse with business credit. So when you see all these rappers from Rick Ross to 50 Cent, you heard them filing bankruptcy, they're not going broke. They just don't want to pay that money. They want to keep the money. It's a finesse, all right? So at the end of the day, you can build business credit, get you at least $100,000 or more within 45 to 60 days, right? And this is how you're going to do it. So if you're somebody out there that has a new small business, an LLC, and an EIN number, first what you need to do is understand this. Some lenders will not give you a loan unless your business is established. So you got to make sure you got the small things out the way, from getting an LLC, your EIN number, a business email, a business number, getting that number registered with the 401 National Directory, and getting a website. Sometimes you might need a business plan, but you can get all that done on Fiverr for a little bit of nothing. So if you're somebody out there that's struggling, having a hard time figuring out how to do these things, just go on Fiverr, pay them, and they'll do it for you. So cut out all the hard work. So now you got you an established business. Once you have this established business, you have to understand this. All credit, any credit, works off payment history, because you're trying to borrow some money. You're trying to get this credit card that has money on it. You're trying to get this loan. You're trying to get this line of credit. You're trying to borrow some money. So at the end of the day, they want to see your credit profile. They want to see what debt do you have, and are you paying back this debt? And if you're trying to pay, and if you do get this loan, will you be able to pay back this loan and this debt without it affecting your life? Right? That's why they ask for bank statements and all this extra statements and documentation, so they can have a good idea of what your life is, what it's revolving around, and will you be in a good position to pay back this money if they gave it to you, right? So the higher debt you have, first of all, it's a difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is the debt that you have on your credit profile that you're paying back each month on time. Bad debt is any collection that you have on your credit profile that is the delinquent, that you're not paying, right? So boom, understanding that business credit is so easy that you get your LLC, you get your EIN, you get everything established. Boom. Once you get everything established, you want to get your Dun & Bradstreet number, and you want to get you a Dun & Bradstreet account so you can start monitoring and checking all of your business credit scores. You need an 80 payday score or higher to be classified as a good risk to be lent business funds, business money, business loans. All right, so as long as you got an 80 payday score or higher, you are in good standing to getting funding for business. All right, and high limit loans. So how do you jump start all of the loans and skip the process? There's a thing called Net 30s, Credit Strong Business, and Credit Strong Business Builder, and CreditMagnum.com. These sites will give you enough credit to get funding $100,000 or more. Because first of all, Credit Strong will give you up to $50,000 in trade lines for your business. Credit Magnum will give you $30,000 in trade lines for your business. And you can also go to Trade Line Supply. And it's a lot of different other websites that you can go to get these trade lines to add on to your personal or business, but we're talking about the business right now to get it. So it's going to add these trade lines to your credit. So when they go check your business credit, it's going to say you got $80,000 in loans that you're paying off each month on time. So they're showing on your business credit that you got at least $80,000 that you're liable for, that you're paying back. So which means you're going to be good for at least $60,000 loan. They're going to give you at least a 60 piece. And we all know $50,000 no doc loans are the easiest business loans to get out there. So with that being said, you can easily, like I tell you guys on a lot of different videos, go sign up for the smaller banks or credit unions in your area. So go sign up for 2 to 3 banks with your EIN or LLC. Once you do that, run the business credit up. Like I said, go get them trade lines. Go to Credit Strong Business, Credit Magnum trade line, add those trade lines. 45 to 60 days. Go in each bank and ask them for a $50,000 loan. You will not need any docs. Easy as that. Banks are giving out the bag. Credit unions and smaller banks are giving out the bag. You just got to know what you're doing. So you get your EIN number, your LLC. You go to this bank, that bank, and this bank, and you open up a business bank account with each of these banks with your EIN number. Now you got 3 business bank accounts. Now you spent $600 because each of them you put in $100 in the checking, each of them put in $100 in the savings. Now you working it. Now you putting money in, taking money out. You're doing what you need to do. You building a relationship with these banks. You building your paydex score. You didn't, added the trade lines and AUs. Now you got an 80 or better paydex score with a high debt on your business credit. You can go into them 3 banks and ask for $50,000, and now you got $150,000 easy as that. 45 to 60 days. New business LLC. Just off adding those 2 to 3 trade lines to your business credit. Sometimes people buy S corps, but those are not cheap. Those are expensive, and a lot of people don't got that type of money, $1,000 to buy S corp to add to your business to finesse their business credit onto yours. Some people do. So if you want to go the easy way, 45 to 60 days, building business credit to $100,000 or more, start your LLC, your EIN number, get established off Fiverr, get your Dun & Bradstreet number and account, add the net 30s because those going to report to your payday score. Go get those 3 business bank accounts, checking and savings, add money in all 3 of them, and I guarantee you 45 to 60 days you will be successful in getting $100,000 to $150,000 or more $1,000, depending on what your situation is, what you want to get, and what you trying to get. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers, new and old. Without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping this sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there that's ready and willing to enter the world of financial freedom, you ready to invest in yourself so you can be blessed. The more you invest, the more you be blessed. Point blank, period. The more you know, the more you grow. So with that being said, you want to learn about credit, loans, credit cards, lines of credit. You want to get the 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards, the New Age Credit Repair Handbook, the CPN package. You want to learn how to make $50,000 a month all profit. You want to learn how to make $1,000 a day all profit plus more. Tap in right now to the FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems for $600. Prices will be going back to regular prices soon for $1,200. So do not miss out on this opportunity. But if you really want to get into detail, you really want to dive deep into getting this money, tap into the crypto tour right now. In-person unlimited gems. $4,500 in-state, $5,500 out-of-state if I got to come out-of-state to you. And you got to pay for my flight and my hotel. You will learn everything that you will learn in the FaceTime 101 plus more. And we will be hands-on. And I will physically show you how to do everything. All you got to do is play your part, play your role. I can lead you to water, but I can't make you drink. Always remember that, all right? So when it comes to this game, credit, methods, anything out there, it ain't no 1-2 step. Here you go, $50,000, $20,000, $30,000. No, you got to actually know what you're doing to actually make it work, all right? So always remember that. Also, anybody out there looking to get the 8 instant cash out methods, or you need any type of sites, any type of service, any type of live cards, methods, tap into my Telegram right now, Wealth and Riches. You can find it in my community post and in the links in all my video bios. All right, so when you click the title and all the links pop up, it will be in there, or go to my community post where you can find my link to my Telegram, Wealth and Riches, over 6,000 subscribers. Don't be scammed or fooled by any fake King Hussle Telegram. No King Hussle Telegram, right? That's not me, so don't get scammed. All right, so you ready to come make this money? Tap in, join the chat, and let's win. You still hating just because you ain't got a dinner plate? The people who hate be the broke people. People who got money and really want to win, you don't see them hating, all right? So you somebody out there that's hating because you ain't got a dinner plate, chat, you ain't investing in yourself, you think everything in the world is fake and a scam, that's on you, and you gonna soon one day figure out that you've been wasting time. You could have got on the wave, but the wave then blew out and you still broke. So come learn how to make some money, or just stay away and do what you do, all right? Also, still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, cameramen, or women to join the production company. Got a lot of major funding coming up. We are getting a lot of major funding. We're getting a lot of good deals too, so make sure you tap it in. Come get your chain, your Hussle Nation chain, your watch, and get this money, all right? So any rappers or singers out there, you got a good fan base, you got enough followers, you got a decent amount of followers, you got a decent amount of views on your music videos, you take this serious, tap in. Rappers and singers, music reviews is $100. Any beautiful, looking for models out there too, any beautiful ladies, or older, younger, don't matter. Women out there that's looking to elevate, ready to grow, ready to win, tap in with me. Let's get it in, all right? As long as you got a good attitude, as long as you got ambition, as long as you dedicated, as long as we can win and grow off each other, we will be A-okay, all right? You got to understand everything ain't meant for everybody. Just because you want to be a model don't mean you're going to pop off as a model. You might do podcasting and might be better at talking, and you might get a fan base with that. So now you got a fan base, and now you start dropping modeling pictures. Now you're a model. Easy as that. Or start dropping music. Easy as that. Or you might want to do something, and you might start doing this and pop at that. So now you got it. That's how it works. You got to give yourself more opportunity to win, all right? So let me guide you to success. Let me help you put yourself in those positions so we can grow and build off each other, all right? But if you got a bad attitude and can't work with you, I don't want nothing to do with you, all right? So young, older, don't matter. All my beautiful ladies, tap in across the world. Let's get this money. Let's grow. Let's make this content, because content equals views. Views equals money. Easy as that, all right? So the more content we put out there, the more views we'll get and the more money we'll make. Self-explanatory. Also looking for cameraman or women, surrounding areas, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Houston, Texas, or Phoenix, Arizona. All I need you to do is hold the camera and know what you're doing. You ain't got to know how to edit or none of that. All you got to know is know how to use a stabilizer, know how to get the settings right, and know how to get good angles. As long as you do that, we good to go, all right? And as time goes, you can learn how to edit. But I got editors on my team already, so don't need you for editing. So you ready to tap into the production company? Tap in. You ready to get this money? You ready to elevate? You ready to make $1,000s on a daily basis? Tap into my Telegram, Wealth and Riches, or hit me up on my Instagram, King Hussle X1M, and make sure you go follow King Hussle X1M right now. My music my music YouTube channel, because I'm finna drop a mixtape and music videos, and we're finna flood y'all up. So make sure y'all tapped in, man, because if you ain't listen to the music, you might not miss out on these giveaways. I'm gonna be asking a lot of questions and making sure you're really paying attention and really like it. So y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.